In today's session, we will see inserting a new body. We will see how to insert a new part body in the CATIA. Okay, so this is the theory. So we will see this step by step in the CATIA user interface. So to create a body. So for this, we will go to the mechanical design, part design. Okay, so I have opened this part. We just maximize this. So this is a part. So in the specification tree, we can see that a part body, or this is a pad feature. This is a different part body. So I have to create another part body in this specification tree. So I will go here, insert a body. See this in the menu bar. Insert body. I will simply click on insert body, and body has been created. So I will click on this. Okay. Now on this body, in the specification tree, I will sketch on this surface. You can see that sketch has been created inside the new body that has been created. You can just click it. Okay, these are the options. Okay, I will sketch. Okay, so I will sketch an cylinder in this. Okay. You can give constraint from here for this. Similarly, just exit the workbench. Okay, sorry, exit the sketch. So I will pad this sketch to 75. Enter. You can see that. Edit this. Make it 75. Enter. You can see that the body has been created. So while selecting, we will select this pad feature, or I will minimize this tree. So this part body, which is a cube, this is a different, and this part body, which is a cylinder, are created separately. You can see that. So this is how you can create a part body. So we will see tools toolbar. The tools toolbar in the CATIA interface, you can access it from here. This is the tools toolbar. Okay, so here the first option is update all, manual update mode. So you can update the changes that has been created. You can using this update option. Create a 3D access system. You can create a 3D access system wherever you want. Okay, so at any point, at this point, you can create an access system, new access system. Okay, next is show historical graph. You can use the historical graph, grid sub toolbar. Okay, then 2D visualization sub toolbar. Next is creating masks, creating data. These are available in tools toolbar. Creating offset surfaces, inserting elements. Okay, so these are the tools toolbar. So these are the tools toolbar. Next is the measure toolbar. Measure toolbar, you can access that measure toolbar from here. So this is the measure toolbar. First one is measure in between. Measure minimum distances and angle. Then measuring properties, measuring inertia. These are the measuring tools you can access from measure toolbar. First one is measure in between. So I can select any two entities, and the distance between them will be highlighted in the green. You can select it wherever you want. See this. Okay, everything is, see this is a 50 mm. So using these options, you can measure the distance between any of the point. So this is a vernier caliper you have seen. So using vernier caliper, you can see this. a cylindrical parameters. The radius of this circle is 43.34 mm. Z-axis, from Z-axis it is 75 mm. Okay, so this is how you can select. Okay, so between these 2 points are 31 and 91, 31.91 mm. So using measure you can select, measure the inertia. You can also measure inertia of this object. Okay, so this is the detailed parameters of this inertia measurement. So this is it for these two toolbars. Now we will see session number 9, so knowledge toolbar. So we will see the knowledge toolbar. These are the knowledge toolbar. You can access this toolbar from here. This is the knowledge toolbar. Okay, so the first one is formula. So these are the various types of formulas toolbar. See this, using this you can